Good morning, Charlotte. How are you?
I'm good.
So what you are doing today?
Doing my driving lesson before my test.
Before your drive test. Okay. So at the next street, turn right. Good girl. You are looking at the mirror. You're so quick learner, eh? So can you explain, Charlotte, what are the criteria can affect your pass and fail? This is a 50-kilometer zone, built up area. So if I go just 51 or 52, what the result will be?
Fail. Instant fail.
Excellent. Very clear concept. Good girl. Now, what are the second criteria?
To checking mirrors.
Checking mirrors. What time? Before indicate and before any brake. Okay. At the next street, turn right.
Yep.
Good. Okay. Now, sometimes they will take to the Princess Highway.
Yep.
They will ask you changing the lane. The Charlotte, when safe, move to the right lane or move to the left lane. When safe. They use the word when safe.
Yep.
So if it is not safe,
Do not go.
do not go. Excellent. You don't need to rush. Okay. If it is safe, only you can
Yep.
perform. Okay. Sometimes after 10 to 15 minutes, test is 2 stages. Okay.
Yep.
After 10 to 15 minutes, they will ask you pull over and stop at the curb. So what your task will be? What you need to do before you pull over?
Look in your mirrors.
And
Indicate.
and then pull over. But one thing's very careful. Lots of kids like your age, they're mounting the car.
Yep.
They hit the gutter before when they stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll do with this 4-wheel drive reverse parallel parking again. And let me tell you the way I do. Okay.
Yep.
Signal left. Stop.
Yep.
Okay. Good. Now put on reverse. Okay. Now cut the steering half from the left. Half. Like this. Just only half.
Yep.
Now look at the back. No. Wait. Before you take the brake, look at the back, please.
Yep.
No, look at the back. Okay. Now look at the camera. Okay. You see the corner?
Yep.
The blue corner. When it crossed the line, you stopped. Okay. So go now. No, you don't need to move the steering. Just go. This is a very simple and accurate method. Keep going. Little bit. Stop. Full lock on the right. Now full, complete lock. Good girl. You see, car is coming. Absolutely. In one go, you will use the master. Stop. Put on right. Go a little bit forward. Bring the car steering. Okay. That's it. Stop. Finish parking. Okay. Now let's check what you did. You see the car.
Yep.
Excellent, right?
Yep.
So you don't hit the car. Nothing. Okay. Pull out when safe, please. Mirrors, head check. This head check is life and death. Nobody will give you it to you. You have to take your give it. You are doing, just relax and do the things, okay? Don't care who is coming for the test, okay?
Yeah.
You just apply your rules. Bottom line is this, okay? At the end, when safe, pull over and stop at the car. Pull over and stop. Just here. That's it. Stop. Make the car safe, please. This is your first stage. Okay, they will calculate. Did you lose any point in the mirrors? Is your car is wide during the turning? So make sure that your lateral position when you make a left turn, not wide. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's it. Okay. Now they will ask you. They will tell. Okay, Charlotte, you pass in the first stage. Now pull out when safe. So pull out when safe. Go. At the end of the street, turn right. And this, when you decide to go, it's called pickup speed. Make sure that a little bit fast, okay?
Yep.
Because if you go very slowly, someone can come, very fast.
Yep.
At the end of the street, turn left into the highway and finish into the right lane.
Okay.
Okay, you understand?
Yep.
Left into the highway, finish into the right lane, and the speed limit is 80. So make sure that they will tell you, remind you what is the speed limit.
Yeah.
Okay, when you go very fast. Okay,
Yeah.
look on the right. Go now. Yeah. Fast, very fast. Fastest. Fast. Quick. Into the right lane. Right. Now it's a mistake. I told you it's a finish in the right lane.
Finish.
So don't go in the left lane, then coming to the right lane.
Okay.
Straight to the lane they are asking. When safe, move to the left lane. Good girl. Good head check. When safe, move to the right lane.
The car's going.
Yeah. If it is not safe, I told you. Never do. Yeah. But don't cancel your signal. Okay? Signal means when they ask you changing the lane, immediately you put the signal.
Yeah.
But it does not mean that when you think that you will put signal. No. Signal means giving a information to the other road users. Hey, I want to change the lane. Okay? Give me a space. Someone is kind enough, they will give. Someone is rude, they don't give. Okay? Yeah. And now look at the mirror before you are braking because you are coming to your red lights.
Yep.
After the traffic light, next street, turn right. After the lights.
Yeah.
Now, at the traffic, after the traffic light, did you see the 60 sign?
Mm-hmm.
It's not applicable today
Yeah,
because it's not a
zone.
school day. It's not a school day.